Yes, boy. You are the most beautiful bird.
Do you want that? Camelot, do you want that? Okay. Oh, no, here it is. Here it is. You tell me where it goes. Yeah, you gotta show me where it goes. It goes over there? Okay. Good boy. Oops, you dropped it. No, he says I put it in its right place. All right, you want another one? You want another one? Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. Here you go. Hi, sweetie. It's like they turn it around in their beak until they find just the right spot to chew on.
Yeah. Is that good? Is that good?
They're funny. And he wants the one that he has.
Of course.
Of course. Oh, I want that one. There's thousands of more people. Gotta have the one that the other cockatiel has, right? Come on, you get down there and play too, Tori. Tori. Cockatiel puzzle night. That's great.